he's also giving back now.
Great stuff as Cook. It's bottled up. Ball comes loose. 49ers have it. Kevin Givens knocked it away from Dalvin Cook, and Cook remains down.
And he gets kind of bent over backwards. And Givens shot out of a cannon with the penetration, and Dalvin Cook was hurt immediately as holding his chest as soon as he went down. Wow, this is so uncharacteristic of the Vikings. Came in best in the league in giveaways. Now interception by Kirk Cousins. A forced fumble. Givens forces the fumble. 2 turnovers. And Cook is still down. That's probably most disturbed.
Dalvin Cook came into this game as the 5th leading rusher in the National Football League. He was number 3 on the list last season. Met by Givens, and you saw how his right leg got caught underneath.
Yeah, and then he just started yanking at his chest, shoulder pad area, left chest, shoulder pads.
So it will be 49ers football, leading by 5 when we return. Dalvin Cook on the cart as teammates and members of the 49ers come over to give him a tap or a word of encouragement.
That's how respected he is. I mentioned he's a tough guy. You don't see a whole team literally come out, show their support, and the 49ers show their support if you're not a tough SOB, and he's one of those old school throwback tough guys. I really hope he's okay.